What's up everyone, Nate here with 911 Rapid Response. Thanks for tuning in yet again for another vehicle showcase, and today we have for you a 2021 heavy Chevy upfitted for the Portland Hook and Ladder. Much thanks to our friends over at Hondru Fleet for providing the vehicle to this department, and we'll start by going over the aftermarket equipment. At the front of the vehicle we have a Weston HDX brush guard. Pretty mean looking brush guard here. Fender wraps protecting the headlights and the front fenders. It's got nice protection at the front end as well. Two wheel and ions surface mounted there to the brush guard. Rooftop light bar. This is a 54-inch wheel and Senator light bar duo. Red white to the sides and front, red amber to the rear. And on each side of the push bumper or brush guard, we have a Whelen T-Ion red. And while we cruise around to the side, we can get a good look at the graphics package. Some simulated gold leaf there with the engine turn, department name, unit number, and the reflective stripe going to the back of the vehicle, also with the fire rescue and dive on the ARE cap. Toolboxes integrated into this ARE cap. We also have a Whelen T-Ion down here at this pocket on the rear bumper. It's a nice location. We're actually mounting a lot of our shoreline plugs, our auto eject units, right in that pocket as well, rather than going into the body. Rear of the vehicle, continuing on the graphics package, department name, and we have the NFPA chevron here at the bottom of the tailgate. Whelen Vertex red amber in each of the taillights and the reverse lamp portion of that tail lamp. And we also have a Phoenix Fusion 40 degree 6-head light stick. That's a dual color stick, so we're getting red and amber function out of that as well. Just some larger lighting here to the rear because the length of this vehicle is truck's a boat. We lose a little bit of the light bar once we're up close to the vehicle. So downrange we'll get the effectiveness of that light stick as well as the rear light bar, but the closer you get, you're going to lose the light bar. Aftermarket additions on the interior of the vehicle. Pretty simple and effective package here. All together, Havoc's box console. This is a 24-inch console, 10-inch high. Cup holders. We have our Whelen HHS 4206 control head. Two customer supplied radios, and what Mark just grabbed there, that's actually the port for the PA mic, so that can be unplugged and plugged back in. And we've also got a side mount armrest there. Again, really simple package here, super effective. Not every project is going to have all the bells and whistles, but this one gets the job done. We'll have takedown and alley scene functions, and we're also going to have a rear scene function. We have two small flood lamps at the back of the vehicle that they wanted added here. Again, this is a rescue and dive vehicle, so what they're actually going to be utilizing this for in many occasions is pulling their boat trailer. So having that additional lighting to the rear when they're backing up to a trailer or working off the back is going to be beneficial to them. Thanks again for tuning in. As always, follow along on our social media outlets, Facebook, Instagram, and here on YouTube. Plenty more to come this summer. Stay safe, y'all.